guys, it is Rish, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you add light apps to your home screen directly and use them easily. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Chrome and then enter the link of your website of which you have to create the light application. Once done, you have to wait for the website to load. Now simply tap on the three dot option on the top right corner of the screen and simply tap on add to home screen. You can see it right there. And now tap on add. You are done. Now let me play the application. Go to the repository and accept it. So let's try the application. So as you can see here, everything is working perfectly, and if you want I can show you some samples. For example, I'm going to show you some cases. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit on the like button and do subscribe.